Hello, and welcome back to N Raghav TV for yet another video. La Liga season kicks off. New look Football Club Barcelona play against Real Sociedad, a tough opponent to begin a La Liga campaign with. So let's get started with the video. So the new look Football Club Barcelona, the first official game after Messi has left Barcelona. The new look team kick off against a very tough opponent in Real Sociedad. But before we get into the game, let's look at the history between these two teams. Last season we beat them 6-1. If you remember, prime Koeman ball, as people in Barcelona football Twitter would refer to it as. And history hasn't been the kindest to Real Sociedad. They have lost 64 games away from home at Football Club Barcelona, visiting the Camp Nou, and their most recent draw coming in 1995. So we have beaten Sociedad at home comfortably every time, and in La Liga Barcelona have lost just one of their opening fixtures, and that was way back in 1939. But circumstances now are completely different. There is no Lionel Messi, and one doubt that we had before whether we would be able to register our signings, and thanks to our captain, the future president of Football Club Barcelona, Gerard Piqué, he's taken a massive wage cut so that we can register our signings. And surprisingly, Memphis Depay, Eric Garcia were to be registered, but we have registered Ray Manage to the first team as well. So welcome to the first team, Ray Manage. Looking forward to him playing at that striker position. And today's game is going to be exciting because we have a lot of youngsters in our squad list. We have the young Gavi, we have Pedri is back, Puja as always, we have Youssef Demir, we have Nico Gonzalez, we have Iñaki Peña, we have Arnau Tenas. But one player, one youngster that we are missing out in today's squad is Alex Collado. Not sure what's the reason. Is he going to go out on loan? Or is he going to be sold? Or does Koeman have plans for Alex Collado? Especially with the sort of forwards that he have, with the likes of Dembele, Ansu Fati, Philippe Coutinho injured. It makes no sense, but let's wait and see. Let's not get ahead of ourselves, and let's wait and watch. And three interesting exclusions from the squad list: Miralem Pjanic, Samuel Umtiti, Philippe Coutinho. All three of them have been excluded from the match day squad. At interesting times, there's still time left, 15 days left in this transfer window. And who knows what's going to happen. Let's wait and watch. And that's for the Barcelona news. And from the side, Real Sociedad side, they have a major missing in today's game. That is Alexander Isak. Yes, the Swedish striker misses due to a knee injury. So I'm happy that we don't have to face Alexander Isak, because he's going to be a menace in the box. He's going to threaten our defense time and again. So that's it for the team news and all the kickoff details. Now let's look at how Barcelona will line up against Real Sociedad. Is how I would pick if I was Ronald Koeman. This is the lineup that I would pick tonight. But there are a few things that can happen. Demir, being a young 17-year-old player, might not start straight away. Maybe he might go for Braithwaite up top and Griezmann on the right, and Riqui Puig might not play, and Pedri might come into the starting lineup straight away. But backline, I don't want to see Clément Lenglet anywhere near the starting 11. Please. Let's hope this is the back line. Obviously, Neto in goal with Ter Stegen injured, Jordi Alba left back, Ronald Araujo, Gerard Piqué, and at the heart of defense, Serginho Dest at right back, Sergio Busquets at CDM, De Jong and Puig at centre midfielders, Memphis freaking Depay. Memphis Depay set to make his Barcelona debut in today's game. I'm very excited to see Memphis Depay. He had an amazing pre-season. Can't wait for him to start firing goals and assists for Barcelona in a Barcelona shirt. Antoine Griezmann, he's going to play an instrumental role for Barcelona without Lionel Messi, because he is going to be that anchor that Barcelona will need to rely upon if we need goals or assists. So hope we get prime Griezmann back, and all I can hope for Barcelona is to win. And talking about our opponents, Real Sociedad, who aren't an easy opponent, let's be honest. They have the likes of David Silva, Mikel Oyarzabal, Mikel Merino, and Alexander Isak, whom they're missing today. They have quality players, Real Sociedad. So they're not going to be an easy team. But with history on our side, let's hope that we get our best result. And again, the void left by Lionel Messi, it's unexplainable in words, to be honest. And first game without Lionel Messi, first official game. Let's hope we get the win. And Sergio Busquets will be leading us today. And yes, that's it for the preview. I'll see you after the game is finished. I'll see you in the review of this game, and for the prep, and that's it for the video. And yes, before I forget, predictions for this game. My predictions for Barcelona versus Real Sociedad is 3-1 Barcelona. Yes, I am going for a Barcelona win. Might not happen. Very difficult game as well, as I've been repeating again and again in my video this time. 3-1 Barcelona win. Depay, Griezmann, and maybe Frankie de Jong to score. So those are the three. That is my predictions, and that's it for the video. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe. Liking the video will help it, gain more viewers, and it will help the YouTube algorithm as well. So if you liked it, do like the video, subscribe to the channel. We are close to hitting about 100 subscribers, 92 subscribers currently. So if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe to the channel, and see you in the review video. Tata, bye bye.